Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can receive money on Payoneer. This is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you actually like multiple ways on how you can receive money on Payoneer. Okay, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Payoneer account. That's the first step. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you multiple methods on how you can receive money on Payoneer, like available methods on Payoneer. Now, like the most common method or like the most popular one is to click here in the top right for your account, like a name in the top right, then click on settings and then click on profile settings, and this email can be used to receive like money to your Payoneer, but this only works if the other person has a Payoneer account. Okay, this is not going to work if you are trying to request money from someone who doesn't have a Payoneer account. Okay, this only works if the person that is sending you money has a Payoneer account. You can just copy this email and send it to the person that is going to send you the money. Okay, so the second method is to request money from, for example, you want to click here, it says get paid, and you want to click here, it says receiving accounts, and you can select one of these receiving accounts. I always go with like USD bank account. It's based in the US. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this bank account can be used to receive payments. As you can see, this is the routing number and this is the account number. Okay, the account type is checking, and here you will find your bank name, which is the name you use to create your Payoneer account. But the only downside of this is this account can only only payments from businesses, transaction from business accounts are supported. So like payments from personal bank accounts will be declined, so just keep that in mind. Also, transactions made from a bank account in your name will be declined, but it accepts local like transfer guidelines. As you can see, local transfer guidelines. Accounts can be used to receive local bank transfers within the US, okay, in USD by this network. As you can see, transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but also international bank transfers are not supported. Okay, so but this is not going to work for everyone. Like not everyone is going to receive money from big businesses. So the third method here is to click where it says get paid and click on the request payments. You will just have to add here your like personal information. There is nothing crazy here. Just need to add here business profile and government issued photo ID. Like the questions are basic. You just need to click on submit. As you can see, just need to add here some information. I already did this on my other Payoneer accounts. You can just need to like select the category that is best describes like line of business. For example, if you are doing like freelancing or Fiverr or whatever, you can just add it here. And after that, within a few hours you will be accepted so that you can request payment. Now after you are accepted, you can just click here, it says request payment, and you can add the email of the person that is going to that person is going to receive an email, and you can then enter the amount you want to request from this person, and then you will receive an email, and you can pay using their credit cards, okay, or debit cards. You will receive an email, a notification, like an email to their Gmail, and then they will be able to pay using their bank account. Okay, that's exactly how this works, but there will be a fee, by the way. There will be like a fee, I would say, like from like 3%, around 3%. From my experience, because I didn't use this feature for a long time, so probably the fees are changed. But here you can request money from anyone. Okay, so you can request money, for example, from click here request payments, and like I said, you can request payment from anyone in the world without them having a Payoneer account, of course. So they can pay using their credit card. Okay, so the money will reach your account, I would say, like from like 1 day to 3 days, from my experience, if they send you the money used that way. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can like receive money on Payoneer. Like if you have any questions, go to the comments, ask me in the comments. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Okay, if you want me to answer your questions, let me know in the comments, and make sure to drop a like, and see you guys next video.